Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enroll in the Apple beta program on your iPhone. To begin, let's check for software updates on your device. If you see that your software is up to date only but not beta software option, follow these steps to enable the beta software. Start by opening Safari, your default web browser, from your home screen. In the address bar, type Apple Beta Program and click on the first result. This will take you to beta.apple.com. Scroll down the page and click on Sign In. Use your credentials or Face ID to sign in. And make sure to read and agree to the terms and conditions. Once signed in, continue scrolling down, and you will find the option to download the iOS 16 beta program online. Now, go back to your home screen and open Settings. Tap on General and then select Software Updates. You will notice that the new beta update option is available. Click on it to access further options. That's it. You have successfully enabled the beta program on your device. If you want to access additional developer options, follow these steps. Open the App Store and search for Apple Developer. Download and install the first app called Apple Developer. Once the app is downloaded, open it. At the bottom of the screen, you will see an account icon. Tap on it and sign into your Apple Developer account. To enroll in the beta program, tap on Enroll, agree to the terms, and click Continue. Follow the prompts to complete your profile details, and then click Finish. Congratulations! You will now receive developer options as well as beta software updates. To manage the beta updates, go to Settings, select Software Updates, and turn on the option for beta updates. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and if you want more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel.